Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline. In today's video, we're going to be crocheting these little hearts. If you like how I explain in my crochet tutorials and you'd love to learn more, especially as a beginner, kindly click on the link in the pinned comment down in the comment section to join my WhatsApp group. For today's tutorial, I'll be using a cotton yarn, a 4.5 millimeter hook, and a pair of scissors. These are the only things you need for this tutorial. So let's start the tutorial. We are starting this tutorial with a magic ring. First, this end is called your yarn tail. This other end is called your working yarn. You're going to wrap this working yarn around these three fingers. You have a circle. Go into the circle, grab the working yarn, hold, and adjust. Again, wrap the working yarn around these three fingers. You have a circle. Go into the circle, grab the working yarn, hold, and adjust. To start, you're going to chain up 4 and 4 chains. Next, we're going to work 3 treble crochet into this magic ring. For a treble crochet, yarn over twice. Go into the ring. You notice how we are working with our yarn tail. Go into the ring, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through the last. Yarn over twice. Go into the ring, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on the hook. Pull through 2. You have 3 loops. Pull through 2. You have 2 loops and pull through 2. So we have 2 treble crochet. So 1 more treble. Yarn over twice. Go into the ring. 4 loops on the hook. Pull through 2. Pull through 2 and pull through the last. After placing 3 treble crochet, we're going to work 3 double crochet. For a double crochet, yarn over 1 time, go into the ring, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. First double crochet, second double crochet, and the last. After working a double crochet, you're going to chain 1, and we're going to work 1 more treble crochet. Yarn over twice, into the ring, place 1 treble crochet. After that, chain 1, and we have half of our heart shape. We're going to repeat everything we did here on this other end. First, after chaining 1, place 3 double crochet first, and the last double crochet. After that, 3 treble crochet, yarn over twice, the second treble crochet, and the last treble. And this is what we have. Next, you're going to pull this yarn tail, pull to close up this ring, leave a little end. After your last treble crochet, chain up 4, 3 and 4, and we're going to slip stitch into the ring. So after 4 chains, go into the ring, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the next loop. Chain 1. Grab your scissors, cut off, and pull through and tighten up. Finally, you're going to pull this yarn tail to close up your ring completely. And this is what we have. To sew in these loose ends are called your loose ends. To sew them into your work, first tie together. You can use a yarn needle for this, but if you don't have a yarn needle, you can get a small hook size. Come to the back of your work, go into the top of some stitches, yarn over and pull your loose ends like this. Top of some stitches, yarn over, pull. You can repeat this a couple times. After that, cut off. Repeat same for this other loose end. Go into the top of some stitches, yarn over and pull. You can repeat this a couple times also. Cut off. And this secures your work perfectly. So I really hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and if it was, kindly let me know in the comment section by leaving a cute comment. If you have any questions, please drop them at the comment section and I'll be willing to answer every single question you have. If you liked this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.